not start our online business 2 years ago, Josh would have been at work and I would have been dealing with the children at home by myself. I'm still dealing with the children, but at least I'm doing it from beautiful places like this. Forster today. We've been here for about 3 weeks now, so we're going to start heading towards Queensland, so we'll be there in the next couple of days. We've just stayed here for a bit longer as well, just so we're safe and we're in one spot. So
clean the mud off.
Yes, it's so muddy here. Have a look at the site. Whoops. So yeah, so super excited to be heading towards Queensland in some, hopefully some warmer weather, so stay tuned for that. Just a little bit of mud. We've had like a week's worth of rain. Everything is just, my God, check that out. The caravan needs a really good clean inside and out after this. Wait, Chloe! Woo! Say bye! Bye! Say bye! Sun. Just got to our next destination. What do you think, Riley?
It's cool.
It's cool. It's nice and warm here, isn't it?
Well, it's pulling out all the glass.
Oh dear.
Look at this.
What did you find?
A crab.
Oh God, don't do that. Let him out. Oh, I think he's... Oh no, he's moving. Don't touch him. Watch, he'll get back up. Leave him. Don't touch him.
Where are we going? To the big slide.
So today we are at Coffs Harbour in New South Wales. So we are here for I think 2 nights and we've stopped into the Big Banana. Of course, you can't go through here without stopping at the Big Banana. So we're here and it is so good for kids. It's got toboggans, water slides, big indoor slides as well. They were lots of fun. Mini golf, cafe, shops, so much to do. So if you're ever in Coffs Harbour, make sure you come and check this place out. Highly recommend. Off to Queensland today. We have our border pass on the window ready to go, and all of our receipts we've printed out as well, just to make it as smooth as possible. So super excited to get to Queensland. Queensland.
They let us in.
They let us in.
We're not Mexicans.
We had everything we needed. We're not doing anything wrong. So super, super excited. Who knows how long we'll be here for. The sun is bloody amazing.
24 degrees.
The kids have been in the car for 4 hours. Oh, we've all had enough, but we're in Queensland.
15 minutes to destination.
To the splash park.
Are you excited?
Yeah, and Chloe's got that.
You got your bathers on. Is it hot here?
Look. Look what it's got.
That's the tunnel. Yeah, we'll go in again. Thank you so much for watching another episode. Make sure you stay tuned to our weekly episodes because this week coming up is going to be absolutely epic. We are going to the theme parks. It's going to be wild. So make sure you stay tuned. But again, thank you for watching. We made it to Queensland.